We've all been there. You break your phone, panic sets in and you wonder who can fix it. Well, now we have the answer for you. At iFixScreens Williamsburg Brooklyn, we are a full-service repair facility for all types of electronic devices. We have a team of certified technicians who can fix all kinds of phones, tablets, smartwatches, gaming consoles and more, you name it. We provide same-day repair services for any type of electronic device, including Samsung repairs, MacBook fixes, and iPhone repairs in Williamsburg, New York. You can also avail of our best-in-class gaming console repairs that include Nintendo Switch, Xbox, and PlayStation. We've got over 1 million repairs under our belt, and we're proud to offer our customers the best service and parts available. With our hassle-free 180-day warranty against manufacturer defects, you can feel confident that when we say we fix it, we mean it. For your convenience, we offer 2 service options, walk-in and mail-in. Whichever you choose, we'll take care of it. Whether you need a battery replacement, data recovery or iPhone screen replacement in Williamsburg, New York, we're here to help. Call us at 347-987-4357 and we'll be happy to talk to you about all of your questions and concerns. You can also check our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/Williamsburg-NY. At iFixScreens Williamsburg Brooklyn, whatever device needs fixing, we'll do it for you.